In this video, I will show you how to create a PDF summarizer in Langflow. I will show you how it works. I have uploaded the file here and I go to the playground and I am typing in summarize the PDF. And it have summarized the PDF simply. So let's start making it. I'm creating a new flow here. I will click on the blank flow. We will start by dragging the components into the canvas. First, go to the chat input and drag and drop it. Next, we need a file input. Search in file and drag and drop it. Next, we need a prompt template. I'm searching the prompt template, drag and drop it. Next, we need a Groq LLM block. I'm searching Groq. Now we need a output. For that, we use a chat output. Now we need to give the Groq API key. I have already copied it. Now we need to select the model. I am selecting the Llama 3 model. Now go to the prompt template. We need two inputs. First one is the file. Next is the chat input. And click check and save. Let me adjust this better a bit. Now we need to connect the components. I am connecting the chat input into the chat input in the prompt template. Connect the file to the file here. And the prompt from the prompt template goes to the input of the Groq. And the response from the Groq goes into the chat output. Now our flow has been created. You can upload a PDF file here. Now we can test the flow in Playground. I am asking it to summarize the PDF. And now it summarizes it. Thanks for watching the video.